Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing. As you can see, this is a Walmart product, or at least bought it from their website, which means I don't have grudges against companies just because I get a bad deal one time. And that's important to note about how I do my unboxings and my reviews. Alrighty. Alright, this is interesting. There's a box, and inside the box there are two. Okay, that's just to safeguard this other box. So one box inside. It's like a matryoshka thing. Right, anyway. Yeah. Come on. We'll try to do this without cutting off my thumb. That was horrible. Don't do it like I'm doing it. I'm just doing it the right way. Alrighty. I'm hoping this is good. Oh, yay. Looks like these are going to be the cool lights, maybe? I don't know. Maybe. Yes, lights. Alright, cool. So these are LED lights that are for chandeliers, and hopefully they'll be amazing quality, just like a lot of the other lights that I got recently from Walmart that are also LEDs. And hopefully we'll get longer lasting lights that are better for the environment and that have better performance too. So alright, hope you guys like this, and see you in the next video.